Greetings boys and girls, and welcome to Kind Spirit Technology channel. Today we are going to start one really wonderful subject. We are going to talk about Scapy. Scapy could be used both as a standalone command line application or as a module or a library for Python. So what is the point with Scapy? Scapy could help you to utilize network traffic and sniff network traffic in a way no other application can. So what is actually that you can do with Scapy? You could manipulate IP protocol, TCP protocol, UDP protocol. You could manipulate every single element of network traffic. That is what makes Scapy a wonderful tool, but both dangerous tool. This is for educational purposes only. Scapy is Python application. You need Python in order to run Scapy. First, you will have to install Python, then you will have to install pip, and then you will have to install Scapy. Let me show you how to do it. With this command you can install Python. I have Python already on my machine, so this command is going to do nothing. Next thing you want to do is to install pip. Pip is Python application that is going to help you to install other Python applications. At the end we are going to install Scapy. There is only one thing left to do. It's to start Scapy itself. So that's all guys. See you in next episode.